Hey, it's Tu from Cleverific, and today I'm going to show you how to restrict certain orders from being edited post-purchase using order tags. Here on order 40, we can see that this order can no longer be edited. That's because I have the order tag final sale designated in customer portal. Over here on order number 38, this customer with the bananas can still edit this order because it doesn't have the final sale order tag. We can go take a look at this in Shopify. Here's order number 40, and we can see that it has a final tag designated here. And if we go to the order with the bananas here, we can see that it does not have a final sale order tag, but it does have this holiday sale tag. Now, if I wanted to go ahead, restrict the holiday sales orders as well, here's what you do. So we'll go to customer portal, and how you get there is you can click on Cleverific here, select self-serve customer portal, and we can see scrolling down here, you can see the settings where it says decide which orders can be edited. It says don't allow customers to edit orders tagged with I'm going to add holiday sale here. Hit add, and now you can see I have two tags here that are restricting customers from making edits. And let's go and take a look at this banana order. If I hit refresh, now this order can no longer be edited as well. And let's say someone really wants to make a change and you want to be accommodating. They can still use self-serve. All you need to do is go over here on, let's say, the same banana order. If you remove this tag, you can actually have the customer refresh the page, and now they can make changes to this order even though they could not before. And that's how you restrict from editing certain orders or allowing other orders to be modified. Thanks for watching.